Dice is on the beat.
Welcome once again to Cars with Friends, late night shenanigans. Just give this head a little clean up, brush off, cleaned it all up, scurf that face nice and scurfy. I'm planning on putting this all together tonight. I don't know how far I'm actually going to get, to be honest. Look at that. But, well, got work tomorrow, but you got to do what you got to do, innit? Really? Self-employed for the win. That is tidy. Get that piston out, I suppose. Oh, this is going to ping off, I know it. No. Sweet. Come out. Come on. Come on. Why won't you come out? Okay. Oh no! Oh, you idiot! Oh man, this is it now. Oh no! No! What a bit of luck! Oh God, I'm cursed. I'm telling you. I've said it 10,000 times, I'm cursed. No, I'm not really cursed, that's just me being a plonk. Not watching what I'm doing, but I got it out. Oh, Goldie. Right, just trying to get this piece of gasket off. And then, clean up, I can reassemble. Right, that's all cleaned up. Nice and clean. It's only just a paper gasket on the bottom. So you've got like a paper gasket, bore, then you've got a head gasket, then you've got the cylinder head, so it doesn't need to be machine finish, just clean. Right, I'll tell you what I need to do first. I need to secure this somehow. For when I'm talking the head up, that's going to be swinging all over the place, so I might make something up. I can bolt into the vise to keep this engine sturdy. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. There we go. Solid. Right. Piston. Piston. You can really tell the difference in the size on the bench, which is a lovely jubbly gudgeon rings. Yeah, so I'm going to build this piston up. And then put it on a con rod and just follow suit really. Rings are on. Yourself a little bit of oil. Go over that like that. And that. Yeah. Get it in there. Through. Ah, she's tight. There we go. Oh, there we go, that's it. Right, time for these stupid clips. Which I'm not going to make the same mistake twice if I can help it. Probably not. Give you a lot of room really. Oh no. Oh, just I can see this going wrong. Why is it going wrong for me? I'm going to try this side first. Oh yes. Whoa, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Get in there. Yes. She's in. Cool, that is some big old piston. Compared to that. Oh yeah, man. This is going to be... To be honest, it's not going to be fast. This bike ain't going to be as quick as the beast down there. No way. No way. There's no comparing really. There is no. There's about 20 of us with Challies and Cubs and CGs and all that. But that 140cc engine's got something in it. I'll tell you. Nothing's beating it yet, and I stand by that. That is a quick 140 in there. This is the bit I'm gonna hate. How the hell am I gonna do this? How the hell do they expect you to do that? I've actually got a manual on this and it says to do it kind of like this. Well, I say manual, just an internet guide. Thank you. That was probably stupid not to take these studs out, but in my defence, I've done a little research online and some people said that these could snap or whatever. I didn't want to run the risk. I haven't got a mini ring squeezer, so I used my fingers very delicately rather, and a little screwdriver, brand new. Speaking of internet, I need to get torque settings now really. Right, here goes nothing. Alright, talking time. Tell you what, it's hot in here. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot, God double heaters on tonight. Alright, head bolts and some rocker action. Right, done. Done. Turns over, pushes him in, makes compression. Yeah. Come on. Yep, makes compression, lovely. I need to give this engine a proper degrease as well. I'll need some more bits and bobs for that, because I can't handle this. Give it a clean up. Got the engine cover all painted up, ready to go. Yeah, that's it really. Just spending time with a blower on that. So, engine's done, ready to rock and roll. Dog hates this. Go on, get out, get in your bed. Hey. Right, enough now. Yeah. Done, dusted. Almost there, man. Tank seat, engine, put it back together. Nice little tricky bits, wiring. Oh, pray to God this engine starts and runs sweet. Pray to God. So yeah. Peace out till next time. Actually, before I go, look at him. He's feeling a bit left out. Come on, it's your turn today.